We're not late, right? He's gonna run out of energy before we even get there.
Feels like we're packing for a week.
You're the one counting everything twice.
We're actually going now, right?
You're doing that thing where you try to rush time? It doesn't work, Jack.
You've asked that so many times, it's starting to sound like a countdown.
It's not. I just don't want to get there when everything's already slower.
You'll survive not being first for like 10 minutes.
We're not doing the slow stuff first, right?
Wait, that's it? That's actually it?
Hey, we just talked about not doing the sprint ahead thing.
He's not even waiting to see what's inside. He already decided. Okay, yeah, that's bigger than I thought. Okay, that's it. That's the one.
We're not doing lockers first, right? We can just go and come back now.
Yeah. You're not getting on anything without this stuff anyway.
You're already there in your head. Just give it a minute, Out May.
I am giving it a minute. It's already starting without us. If we just start there, everything else makes more sense. Okay, wait. No, we start there. Okay, we just go straight there before the line gets stupid long.
Let's just start here, get settled first, it's calmer.
But if we start here, then we're just gonna stay here, and then the other stuff, we'll miss it. Nothing's getting worse, but you're just trying to get ahead of something that hasn't happened yet.
Fine, we do this first, but then we're not doing like 5 more slow things after.
This is the best part of the day.
It really is. So peaceful.
We could just get out there. That's closer anyway.
You're not even in it. You're just waiting for it to be over.
I am in it, it's just... It's not the main thing.
We can just hop out here. It literally saves time.
It's not like I'm leaving. I'm just going to the part we were already going to anyway.
You say that and then we look up and you're gone.
I'll meet you there. It's faster this way. Jack, hold on!
It's fine. I know where I'm going.
Okay. It was this way. Just get there first. Then it works. Okay, yeah, this is fine. It's not even that deep. It just looks big. See? This is better. This is where it actually... Wait, already? Okay, that's... Okay, just stand. No, this is not where... Ah! I knew that. I just didn't...
You don't just disappear and then show up like nothing happened.
I didn't disappear, I just went ahead. It's basically the same place.
We're here now, and help me carry this before it gets heavier.
It's not even that high, right?
It gets higher the more you look at it.
You're the one who wanted this first.
Yeah?
I still do. I just didn't think it'd be this much up.
Wow, this is really high up. Are you guys ready for this?
It looks amazing.
We could. Just do a smaller one first. It's not like we have to.
We can, or we just do it together and get it over with. We're going too fast!
This is amazing!
Look out!
That was not what I thought it'd be.
You looked like you were about to change your mind up there.
I wasn't. I just didn't expect it to drop like that.
It's always bigger when you're actually in it.
This is the perfect day for the water park.
Are we heading to the wave pool next?
So, still racing to the next thing?
Not right now.
Please like and subscribe to our channel, everyone!